Okay, so after fastening the tabletop that we've been able to fasten all the way, we flipped it back over so we can start putting it on the top. We're going to start doing that now. We're going to use sheets like this. We're going to place these on top, and we're going to do it according to the holes that are on the existing table. So we will fasten it down. Okay, so the way we're going to be putting on the table bottom is that we'll be using a cross dowel in this hole. And before we put the table on, we're going to put the cross dowel in first, and then we're going to take the screw and only thread it in about one thread. And then once we have all the screws in on the table, we're just going to fit the board over it. We'll slide the board onto all of the screws, and then we'll just tighten it down at that point here. So you want to make sure you put a washer at this location so you will be able to tighten it down really well. While putting these bottom pieces on, you might need to use a hammer or something to get it all the way on, since there's very little space here, and if there's any tiny little inconsistency, it could happen. And now we have to put in screws on the ends that do not have the special shape here that will come on after, that will be put on after. And make sure that you cross dowel in this hole, because if you push it in too much, then it will fall in and you'll have to take this piece back off. Go ahead. But if you do by chance get this in the wrong way, what you can do is you can use a magnet and pull it out, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. The actual slot, you can turn it and then pull it out. Get it right. Done. What we'll do is we'll go with the, show that on the let me adjust the, now that all of the panels have been installed and all the screws are in place, we've drilled the screws in to about a setting of number 8 to number 10. And now we're going to go in and use a screwdriver manually, make sure that these are pretty snug and tight. Now we need to make sure that all these screws are tight on the other side, but we also have to flip it anyway, because that's the proper orientation for the table. So we're going to attempt to flip this. This is extremely heavy, so it's good to have like 3 or 4 people to flip this. So what we're going to do it with two people, and hopefully we won't have any accidents on film. Okay, we were successfully able to flip this with 2 people, and it wasn't that hard, but still better to get it done by probably four guys, maybe even 5 guys. Now we're going to do the same thing we did on the other side. We're going to make sure all these screws are relatively tight or snug. Then we're going to start on the next part.